today we are going to talk about a stock which has been stagnant for a long time, is a leader in its sector and is trying to foray into other sectors. India's FMCG and technology sector is poised for major growth. With India growth story intact, this stock has tremendous potential. But this stock has stayed in its limits for a long time now. Recently it gave a breakout and again it has pulled back a little. Hello friends. Welcome to our investments channel. Investing with PS. This video is only for educational purpose and by no means is an investment advice. Please pause video and read the disclaimer. Please watch the video till end so you can make up your mind about this stock's potential and plan according to your risk profile and long-term expectations. Please remember to like the video now and subscribe our channel for more such videos. If you share the video and comment in the video, it motivates us to make more such videos. Let's look at how the stock has performed over the time. Last month stock price peaked at 244 and has come down to 225. It has gone down by 2%. Over the year it has almost gained 18%. And 5 years the growth has been of negative 0.5%. Lifetime from year 2000 price has grown almost 1100% times. Also don't forget the almost 5% dividend yield. ITC is well placed for breakup in multiple sectors. ITC has been trying to achieve that for a while. ITC has 25 plus mother brands in FMCG and is adding more. Although profit margins by ITC are on lower side in this segment. Company is a leader in market position in cigarettes. This business has high compliance requirements and that's the moat of this business. Overall summary of stock. Stock is on average price to equity of 21, but that's because market is looking at ITC mainly as tobacco products company. It also has presence in FMCG, technology, and hotel. But share of tobacco in profits is significant. FMCG cigarettes has 45% share of revenue. This 84% contribution towards profit before tax. FMCG others has 28% share of revenue. ITC has 25 mother brands. Hotels has 4% share of revenue. And agricultural business has 13% share of revenue. Stock returns have been overall very good long term, but has been stagnant over last 5+ years. There are no ASM or other flags on this stock right now. Company brand value is good, and has good history and stability is good. Revenue and income growth has been overall historically good. Company is almost debt free. Let's see the financials of the company. As you can see sales have grown from 19,000 crore to 54,500 crore over last 10 years. Net profit though has increased from 6,351 crore to 19,117 crore during this time. Revenue growth for 5 years has been 5% but is rising in recent years. Profit growth has been 7% during this time. In 5 years, revenue has increased from 42,000 plus CR to 49,000 plus CR. Net profit has increased from 10,000 plus CR to 13,389 CR. ROE has gone down, likely due to COVID situation but is above 21%. Debt to equity has been nil. Operating cash flow has reduced from 12,527 CR to 10,627 crore. Again likely due to COVID. This is expected to pick up back again. Let's check out the holdings pattern of this stock for September 21st quarter. FII's holdings have reduced from about 13% to 10.81%. These holdings have been around 42% and has increased by 1% to 44%. Overall the holding patterns is with positive outlook. Pledged promoter holdings is insignificant. See the peer comparison. You can see the price to equity higher than most of the peers, but it is because it's biggest player in tobacco products. Sales 14% increase and profit variance of 10% is in line with valuation market is giving to ITC. ROCE is decent enough of 28%, so overall ITC is comparable with tobacco products peers. It's the FMCG and agri products and hotels and technology business which are under watch of market. Let's check the analysts' expectations from the price in revenue and earnings. There are high return expectations of 54% upside, and around 1% on lower side with median 23% upside for November 2022. Median revenue growth forecast is 15.66 carat and median earnings growth expectation is 21% for March 2022. Let's look at chart of ITC. As you can see, it's close to its support level of 221. RSI at 44 suggests that stock is not in overbought zone and can be a good entry point. Or can be bought at long-term strong support level around 210. Hope you liked the video. Do share your thoughts. Remember to press on thumbs up and share the video and subscribe our channel for more such analysis. Thank you very much.